In this video, I'm going to show you how to add admin commands to your Roblox game. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the Roblox Studio, and in the left hand side click on Home and then go and select the game that you want to edit. So you can just open up one of your own games, or you can open up one of these templates. Now, once you're inside of your game, we need to click on View in the top navigation and make sure that the toolbox here is selected and enabled. And when you click this button, you should see the toolbox in this left-hand window. Now, in the drop-down arrow, make sure Models is selected, then click on the search box and type in the word admin and hit enter. Now, the one that we're looking for is this one here, HD admin. You can see it has over 100,000 reviews, and all you simply need to do is drag the HD admin into your game like this, and then go and press OK. Now, as you can see, it will place this object on your terrain. Now, you may want to consider hiding this object in between another object, or you can put it really high in the sky. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how we can get this to work. So what you need to do is come over to the Explorer tab in the right-hand navigation, and underneath the drop-down next to Workspace, you should see HD admin. So all we simply need to do is make sure this folder here is expanded, and then we're going to double-click on Settings. Now, from this file, we can go and add specific users and permissions to our game. So we can go and add users to admin or moderators or VIP. And how we do this is just simply moving your mouse cursor in between these two quotation marks. And let's say we wanted to give someone full access to the game, full admin privileges. Then we would use this top one here, which is head admin. Basically, this is the highest level underneath owner. And all you would simply need to do is type in the Roblox username of the person that you want to go and add. Now, you need to make sure that this is the username and not just the display name. So if I come over to a Roblox internet browser, you can see here is my profile, and this @ symbol is my profile name. So this is the one that we want to use. And then all you would simply need to do is type in that username in between these quotation marks. And if you wanted to add more than one user here, you can just separate each user by a comma. So now that we've added a user to admin, we can go in and click on play in the top navigation. And in order for this person to start using the commands, they just need to click on the HD button in the top of the game, click on commands, and then you'll see a full list of all of the commands that are available to this user. So you can simply go and click on the one that you want to use. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.